before I begin this video, let me just start by saying I'm not motivated at all. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're old here, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for sharing, commenting, liking. I see them all. If you just see my face for the first time and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love you to click that cute red button that says subscribe to my channel so we can enjoy this ride together. So today's video, as the title says, is life update plus why I went relaxed after 3 years of being natural. So at the beginning of my video, I was saying something about not being motivated. I remember having a conversation with my friend, and she was like, I was asking her like how many videos has she uploaded, how many videos has she finished editing, and she was like only 2, and she hasn't posted anyone. I was like, what happened? No, you get to work. She was like, she's not doing anything. And I said, okay, take a trip, go out, step out of your house. And she was like, the truth is that she's not just motivated, she doesn't know why. And same thing happened to me today. I got back from a friend's house, and I was supposed to film this video since Monday, but things keep happening and the video didn't work out. And I said, okay, I was going to film today. I went out, my mom said she needed to go to the market, so I had to go stay in the shop and all that. And I got back, she said she changed her mind, and I got home. I was feeling sleepy. I was like, you don't have content for Friday, you need to upload. And I was like, I beg, YouTube can stay, whether I upload videos or not, YouTube will still be there. But I got up, turned on the gen, everything was just scattered. I didn't even bring out anything. I started setting up as soon as my ring light came on. So I was setting up while I was filming this makeup look. So now I'm going to be doing a video on life updates. So for people who know or people who don't know, for the past couple of months now, I have been working in a hospital kitchen, and it has taken a lot from me, but I would just say I'm grateful to God for giving me life so I can be able to assist my mom. So it's my mom's deal actually, but I've been working with her because it's been really tough getting a salesperson. So that's what my life has been basically. So I still find time. I'm always there in the morning from 7 till like probably 9 or 10 in the evening, but I still find time to come back and film YouTube videos. I still come back and find time to make strap silk bags for people who sell hair extensions or whatever, attachments, weaves and weave-ons, people who sell hair extensions. And I still live my life, and I still go for my makeup jobs when I have makeup jobs, and I'm still a girl. So that's basically what has been happening to me for the past 3 to 4 months now. So I work in the hospital kitchen from like 7 in the morning till like 10. I still find time in between 7 to 10 p.m. to do YouTube videos, and so I still find time to sew and to do my other activities. So to the main video of today, this is a very, very highly requested video. I got like almost 10 phone calls the day I decided to put up on my social media pages my relaxed hair. Like, the comments on my Instagram was hilarious. I couldn't believe it. I'm sorry for people who are disappointed. I'm sorry for people who were using me to do role model. I don't know how you're using me to do role model. Anyway, so the real reason, the long and short of this story is that I don't have time to keep my natural hair anymore. And aside that, I wanted to do something different on my 3rd hair anniversary. Yeah, so I wanted to do something different on the 3rd year of me being natural. And number 3, my hair stopped growing. Hard to believe, right? My hair stopped growing, and I was even willing to try new things, but so my hair wasn't growing. That's hard to believe, right? And my edges were not complaining. Oh my god, I have tried different kinds of edge controls, apart from the fact that towards the later part of my third year being natural, I found out the Gorilla Snot gel could hold my hair just for a few hours, you know. So my edges were not laying. You see people, I would just see people, a lot of people doing hairstyles even with their natural hair, and their hair was just sleeking. Forget the fact that I did a sleek ponytail on my YouTube channel, my natural hair, but hey, that's by the way. So my hair stopped growing, my hair wasn't sleeking down, I didn't have time. Like I said in the beginning of this video, the whole hospital thing was just everywhere. Like, it wasn't just giving me time to do whatever I want to do. So I was like, for like a month, I was always tying scarf. Like, you can imagine, I was always tying scarf looking like an old woman. And I was like, I beg, if I relax my hair, whether or not I make my hair, I will still look like a human being, right? Thank you very much. So that was one reason. That was even the major reason why I went from natural to relax. I don't have time to keep my natural hair anymore. Natural hair needs time. You need to take care of it. You need to, if you really want the hair to grow and you want it to respond to treatment in quotes, you really need time to grow your natural hair. But that time is what I don't have, because whatever time I have to put it into my work, into YouTube, or into sewing, or into my job as a makeup artist. So I'm trying so hard to keep this video very short because my memory card is almost full and I don't have any spare now. So guys, that is my life update and the reason why I went natural. I will see you all in my next video. Do have a fabulous day ahead. Bye guys.